We did a revenue of 75,000 in just 15 days.
Hi guys, my name is Chriselle Quadris and I'm a program manager at IIDE. Today I'm with some UG students that have just completed their first semester. So let's start with a round of introductions. May I know what are your names?
Hi, my name is Mahi Thakur. I'm currently pursuing BBA from my college.
Myself Kavya Patel and I have just completed my computer engineering from Ahmedabad.
Hi, my name is Darshit Jain and I'm currently pursuing BCom.
I am Lakshmita and I am also pursuing BCom.
Now let's talk about how the semester has been. You all have pretty much completed one whole semester. क्या सीखा?
We have learned a lot of things, but one of my favorite was corporate finance by our mentor Hitesh sir. He was actually very practical and more about the financial books of every brand, and we did a lot of case studies.
For me, my favorite was communication classes. What we did in communication classes was we never did theory, never at all. So we were just doing practical, used to talk with teachers. We came out of our comfort zone. So that was my favorite.
My favorite subject was strategy marketing.
My fave was Entrepreneurship Essentials.
Okay, so semester 1 is done. You all definitely would have had exams. So how did the exams go?
Okay, so instead of an exam, we had to start a whole business from scratch. And in that, we were given 15,000 as a loan from IID, in which we had to sum up the branding, the logistics, and the production.
Whoa, that's interesting. Okay. And so what exactly did you all do? Did you all have to just come up with a brand concept? 15,000 में किया क्या?
We started our own brand named the Mumbai Myth.
Okay.
So it was the oversized t-shirt brand. We know that no one really does t-shirt brands right now. It's obviously common, but we really understood the core concepts of how a business runs. From production, sales, marketing, logistics, everything.
And what were your core responsibilities like?
So my core responsibility were to just manage whole logistics and printing and dealing with the vendor. So we were sourcing t-shirts from Ludhiana. Then उसको print करवाना था तो cheapest printer भी ढूंढना था तो हमें वो अहमदाबाद में मिला. तो वो अहमदाबाद से हमने उसको print करवाया और फिर मुंबई लेके आके लोगों को बेचा.
Wow, so लुधियाना से सोर्स करके अहमदाबाद में प्रिंट करके मुंबई में बेचा. That's a lot of logistics.
So my core responsibility was actually designing the t-shirts and also making reels and making content for sharing the brand to the world.
So you were the face of the brand.
We both were actually the face of the brand, me and
Wow.
Kavya. And it was very thrilling.
Wow, so interesting. So you all didn't just start a business, you all have also now become influencers of a brand.
My core work was to do sales, to get sales online and offline, and to sell more and more t-shirts.
My core responsibility was about finance. I managed each and every spreadsheet that there are 100 people, writing each and everybody's name, the sizes of them, the price at which we are selling to them. So that was my responsibility.
Cool. So now that we've understood what all of you did, why don't you all tell me where did you all actually sell all of these t-shirts?
Okay, so we were actually given a platform by IID itself, which was Flea Mania, where we had to put up the stalls and showcase our brand and to sell the amount of t-shirts to a limited customers.
Oh, interesting. So it was an offline. sort
Yeah,
of
it
event.
was majorly offline, but we also made some online customization orders.
Wow, that's so cool. Okay, so if you all had to sum up your reaction without any words of what was it like 2 days before the event, what is that reaction?
मत पूछो.
Okay. All right, I want stories. This seems really interesting. So, what exactly happened? Give me more stories.
Okay, so 24 hours before Flea Mania, vendor मुझे कॉल करता है, बोलता है मेरा DTF मशीन अब नहीं चल रहा है, तुम लोग देख लो तुम्हें क्या करना है. So on the spot, we find a vendor in Mumbai for our printing. Next day, like on Flea Mania day, अहमदाबाद से t-shirts मंगवाए मॉर्निंग में, उसको प्रिंटिंग में डाला. बिफोर लाइक 1 hour of Flea Mania हमें वो t-shirts मिले.
Whoa. Okay.
And it was hard.
All right. Do you have any stories?
Yes, of course. So in the first 2 hours of Free Mania, we really didn't receive any order. We were seeing other stalls and we were getting jealous because no one is coming to us. So that was, and the amount of rejections I faced that day is quite unreal. So that was one of the fascinating story which I faced.
Wow.
And what we did about the sale was that our pricing strategy first was that we will sell t-shirt for 700 for one t-shirt and 1200 for two t-shirts. But due to these rejections, we changed the pricing strategy to 600 for one and 1000 for two. And this 1000 for two was our break point. That after that we got almost 30 to 40 t-shirts sold because we were selling for 1000 for two, and most of the buyers were buying in pairs.
All right, so we've understood the business plan, we've understood pretty much about the execution. Let's talk numbers. How did the revenue bit look?
So we did a revenue of around 75,000.
Wow. Okay.
Including a 30,000 profit before deducting the loan, and after deducting the loan, we did a profit of 15,000.
Ooh, wow.
Quite incredible.
Okay, that's quite some profit. So, did you all party?
Actually, we did not party. We are planning to reinvest in the second sem and planning to continue this business.
Okay, interesting. So, y'all started off with 15,000 as a loan. Now you have 15,000 of your own, and y'all are reinvesting it again in the business.
Yes.
That's so cool, guys. All right, very interesting stories. I'm sure you would have had learnings, and since you've mentioned you're going to be taking it up in the next semester as well, what are some learnings that you will be taking forward for this business?
Okay, so my biggest learning was on-day sales pitching and convincing the customers to actually buy our product. And also the gist of which I learned कि online sales और actual on-ground selling में बहुत difference है, and it is also very difficult.
My biggest learning would be that whatever we have learned in the past 6 months in our classroom, applying those insights and those learning on the Flea Mania was a very difficult job.
So for me, it was team management. So everyone has their individual ideas for the product, even for the vendors and stuff. To align on the same page and to do all the stuff was super hectic for me. But then also we managed as a team and did something really great job.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for sharing your insights. I think that was pretty fun to learn and understand about your journey. You finally finished SEM 1 and now you're stepping into SEM 2. So, all the best and congratulations on running a successful business.
Thank you.
Thank you.